Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Wa Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. In the night sky shining bright, lived the lonely moon, a lovely sight. Where are my friends? It sighed with a glow as it watched the world down below. Dear God above, hear my plea. Send me a friend to share with me. The stars are so far, the earth's too busy. I wish for a friend, it makes me dizzy. One day the moon decided to stay, to meet the sun at the break of day. Hello dear sun, can you be my friend? I'm lonely at night and it's hard to pretend. The sun smiled wide with rays so gold, but night and day they couldn't unfold. Fear not, sweet moon, don't shed a tear. I'll ask the stars to come near. So the moon went back to its quiet place, looking for friends in the vast open space. Days turned to weeks and the moon felt so small, wishing for friends it could hardly stand tall. Then one bright night a voice came near. Beautiful moon, I'm over here. Who is it? The moon asked with a flicker of light, a tiny star shining through the night. Would you like to play, dear moon so bright? Together we'll dance, it will be a delight. The moon twirled around, its heart filled with glee. I've waited so long, let's play, you and me. Now the moon beams down with a joyful glow, dancing with stars, putting on a show. No more lonely nights, just laughter and light. With friends all around, everything feels right. So if you're feeling lonely, just look up above. The stars are all waiting, ready to love. In the darkest